Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Faz Academy. Today is my topic study of welding transformer. It is a step down transformer which provides electric supply for welding. It provides high current of different range on low voltage 50 to 100 V. Parts 1 cover 2 winding 3 terminals 4 magnetic form number 5 institutional medium types. Usually these are two types. Most stable primary welding. In this type different output value are received with closing or away the primary and secondary winding. Usually primary winding is movable for moving the winding and adjusting. Screw is used to which is handle or well is attached when primary winding is exactly closed with secondary winding, then maximum current is available on output and vice versa. Taped secondary winding. In this method different taping are taken from secondary winding for transform in a select box. Taping can be connected with selector switch through which different current planes are available. On the end of secondary winding of transformer is connected with workplace as home as shown in following figure. Single phase motors are not self-starting for its rotation, and anti-axis winding is also used for motor start. Usually capacitor is connected in series with accelerated winding. To rotate the motor is reserved distraction. Its connection are changed with a changeover switch. Aperture single phase capture start motor. Number 2 power supply. Number 3 changeover switch. Number 4 connection leads. Producer connection the motor to single phase supply through changeover switch. Number 2 switch on the power supply, motor will be start. Number 3 now switch off the power supply and change the direction of changeover switch. Number 4 now again switch on the power supply, the motor will be done on reserved side. Number 5 turn off the power supply after some time. Restriction all connection must be neat, clean and tight. Number 2 do not make or break any connection when supply is on. Number 3 motor should be alert. Number 4 all the connection must be checked by the teacher before ignition it. Connection of magnetic start with motors. Connection the oscillator with supply 220 volt. Connection input IC signal with probe of input of screen 3 adjust the height of wave with volt control. Number 4 stable the race with trigger knob. Number 5 connect the deviation between peak to peak values. Number 6 put this value in the text and calculate voltage, time period and frequency value. Rotation handle the oscilloscopes carefully. Number 2 ground the oscilloscope before connection the power supply. Number 3 set the voltage at 220. Number 4 always take reading after celebration of oscilloscope. Number 6 use proper robots of oscilloscope. Number 5 measure the voltage and time period carefully. I hope you like my video and subscribe my channel Sayaz Academy.